Hari Om parents, children, today we are going to read the beautiful poem Rainbow. Rainbow means what children? You must be knowing. इंद्रधनु अनुजाक कोई बार में वर्षा दिन रे बेसी कम देखा जाए किंतु बहुत सुंदर लगे के सब रेनबो देखी जो चिल्ड्रन which all children you have seen the rainbow. It is very beautiful with 7 colors. So here the poet is, children, have you ever seen a rainbow? Read the poem and see what the poet thinks. So what you are thinking about rainy season and rainbow, children, and what the poet is thinking in this poem, I will explain you. First let us read the poem. Rainy season has ventured here, then why do I not feel a thing? Is it because the rain has always been here, or is it just because it's spring? They say after rain follows a rainbow, but I can hardly see the sun. Am I wondering where it went, or am I just the unlucky one? Where is the sun's brightness that echoes with me? There is only the rain's darkness that has always followed me. So I keep asking myself, has there ever been a rainbow? So what is the poet's confusion, children? The rainy season has ventured here. Mane the rainy season has arrived after, after one season by one season it will come. So now in this poem the rainy season has arrived. How the now rainy season is going on, children? Like that only in this poem also rainy season has come. Then why do I not feel a thing? Why I am not feeling any great about it? Because why? Why I am not feeling any difference? Is it because the rain has always been here? Because always continuously the rain is coming, that's why I am not feeling any importance about it. Or is it just because it is spring? In spring season usually rain will come. So is it because of spring I am not feeling anything? So what happened? I am not feeling any extra special thing about it. Why? They say after rain follows a rainbow. So people usually what they say, children, after rain in the evening or in the evening time it follows, the rain follows with a rainbow. Sometimes you can see in the sky beautiful rainbow after rain will stop. So here poet is also telling the same thing. People say usually that the rain follows with a rainbow, but I can hardly see the sun. I am not able to see the sun. Very rare in rainy season I am not able to see the sun. Am I wondering where it went? I am wondering where the sun went up. Why it is not able to visible anymore? So देखा जाओ नंदी कहेंगे सूर्य. Or am I just the unlucky one? Or I am very unlucky to see the sun. I am not able to see him. Whether I am unlucky or what? Or this spring season he will not come only. Where is the sun's brightness? The poet is searching the sun's brightness and sun. That echoes with me. Always this question is coming continuously. Echoes means resound is coming. Where is the sun? Where is the sun's brightness? Why I am not able to see the sun? Whether I am so unlucky. Why I am not finding the sun? So that echoes. These things are always coming and reminding several times. The same question only coming one by one. Echo means children. Hello. When you say in the mic, the 3-4 times it comes again. It will repeat like that. Only the same question are repeating in poet's mind and author's mind, and it is creating lot of confusion in him. There is only the rain's darkness that has always followed me. So in this season only the rain's darkness. In rainy season it will be little dark only, children. So this darkness only is always coming back of me. It is following me. I am only searching where the sun went up. Where is the sun's brightness? So I keep asking myself, has there ever been a rainbow? The poet is at last telling that is there any rainbow really is there? Has there been a rainbow anywhere? Because I never found any rainbow in rainy season. So if you have seen rainbow, children, it is very beautiful and your parents will definitely take out a photo to remember. Yes or no? It comes very rare, but it is very attractive and beautiful. Thank you, children.